What is an alphanumeric password?
An alphanumeric password is a type of password that combines both alphabetic and numeric characters. It is widely used as a security measure to protect sensitive information and accounts from unauthorized access. In this video, we will explore what alphanumeric passwords are, their importance, and how to create strong and secure alphanumeric passwords.
What are alphanumeric characters?
Alphanumeric characters refer to a combination of letters and numbers. In the context of passwords, these characters typically include uppercase and lowercase letters, A to Z, and numerical digits, 0 to 9. Special characters such as punctuation marks or symbols may or may not be included, depending on the specific requirements set by the system or service.
Importance of using alphanumeric passwords.
Using an alphanumeric password offers several advantages in terms of security. Here are some key reasons why it is important to use such passwords. 1. Increased complexity. By combining letters and numbers, alphanumeric passwords create a larger character set, making them harder to guess or crack using automated tools or brute force attacks. 2. Resistance to dictionary attacks. Alphanumeric passwords are less susceptible to dictionary attacks, where hackers attempt to gain access by trying common words or phrases. 3. Longer password lifespan. Alphanumeric passwords tend to remain secure for a longer period compared to passwords that consist only of letters or numbers. This is because the increased complexity makes them more resilient against various cracking techniques.
Tips for creating strong alphanumeric passwords.
Creating a strong alphanumeric password is essential for safeguarding your personal information. Consider the following tips when generating an alphanumeric password. 1. Length. Aim for a minimum length of 8 to 12 characters or more. Longer passwords are generally more secure. 2. Variety. Include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, as well as numbers. This adds complexity and makes the password harder to guess. 3. Avoid common patterns. Avoid using easily guessable patterns such as sequential numbers or letters, e.g., 123,456, or abcdef. 4. Randomness. Generate passwords randomly, rather than using predictable patterns or personal information. Randomness adds an extra layer of security. 5. Don't reuse passwords. Avoid reusing passwords across multiple accounts. If one account gets compromised, using the same password for other accounts puts them at risk as well. 6. Consider a password manager. Using a password manager can help you generate and store complex alphanumeric passwords securely. This reduces the burden of remembering multiple passwords. In conclusion, an alphanumeric password combines letters and numbers to create a more secure and complex password. Using alphanumeric passwords enhances security, protects against various types of attacks, and increases the lifespan of your password. By following the tips mentioned earlier, you can create strong and secure alphanumeric passwords that help safeguard your personal information and online accounts from unauthorized access. Remember, taking the time to create a strong password is an important step towards protecting your digital assets.